Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, and there are high chances that you have now bottomed out in this wave 2, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.1466 mark, and there are high chances that you are going to continue gearing up, continue unlocking higher prices to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you reasons as to why the area at around the $1.1466 mark is my next target here on the Polygon Matic chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening here on the Polygon Matic chart, where you can see that on the long-term scenarios we bottomed out in the formation of these larger Elliot count 2 right here within this red target area, and having seen the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of the wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is the move that is playing out here on the Polygon Matic chart, where you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2 within the red target area, we saw that 5-wave structure to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $1.25 mark and also giving us the high for that first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that bottomed out within this blue target area, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, that's the reason as to why you can see I have this micro Elliot wave count in white, which is a micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the wave 2, and now the primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3 and sketching out a target area in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the Fips to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.2673 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Polygon Matic to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And for that move to also play out, there are key moves that we need to continue keeping our eyes on. And the first one is a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot structure right here in white, which lies at around the $1.1466 mark. So in case Polygon Matic continues to gear up, my first target is at around the $1.1466 mark, which is the wave 1 high, and a break above that will trigger even higher prices to help us continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark. And the moment we manage to break above the $1.17 mark, then we can expect a successful retest, and once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue gearing up to continue unlocking higher prices to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 at around the $1.26 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short term scenarios. So continue keeping your eyes on the wave 1 high at around the $1.1466 mark, and the moment we manage to break above that and continue holding above it, then watch our key area of resistance at around the $1.17 mark. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 72 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to continue gearing up. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.